Okay, YouTube, so today I have the computer up with my user, and what we need is a password. So what I have here today is a Pro Micro inside a 3D printed body, and today we're going to use this as a secure login device. Now this has a password preloaded onto it, so when you log in you don't have to type and people see what you're typing. No one will ever see your password. On top of that, it's way easier. You don't have to use a keyboard, so it's really quick. So I'm going to demonstrate it right here real quick. Here I am at the login. I'm going to just take a USB and plug it in. And there we are. We're logged in. It's as simple as that. As you can see, it's welcoming me. It's just taking forever to load because it's a new profile, but there you go. Just that simple. And it might have happened so fast you didn't see it, so I'll do it one more time for you and show you how quick it is. We'll sign out. Now these cost about $7 or less online, so for $7 you can log into anything. You can repurpose it, plug it into Arduino IDE and put your own password. The code I have in the description has room for a username also. It's just commented out, so you take out the slashes and you can put your own username and password in there and it will type both of them for you. But here we go again. Kreezy Live. Need a password, right? Alright, I got your password right here. And there you go. You can leave your computer on all day, put a password on it, carry this around with you at work, the office, home, dorm, whatever it is. Just carry this around with you. You can leave anything open. It works for phones as well, so you get a OTG cable, use this for your Android or tablet, and like I said, this is the way to go. I mean, why type passwords anymore when everything has a USB, every computer? So that's that part of it. Next I will bring you to some code. So we'll take just a quick look at the code here, and this is how simple the code is right here. You just want to include a keyboard. You begin the keyboard, a little delay just to, I like to give it a few seconds to make sure everything's plugged in and working right and USB's registering. I commented out the username, but that would be the username, Kreezy Live. Just replace it with whatever you want to. After it types in the username, it hits tab for you, and then it'll bring the password screen, and you just put your own password in here. After that, it waits a second and hits the enter key, and it's done. The end. As you can see, the end. So it's just that damn easy. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. If you like this video, like and subscribe. It really helps. I'm really just trying to help the noobs. I've only been doing this for about 2 months now, so I'm glad I can help. I hope you enjoyed the video.